in 21st century, we have reached the consensus and have a strong sense that the world is ever changing. Why I say so? It's not only advancement in technology and civilization, but also including climate changes. As we all know that climate changes can be detrimental to our community. So the world and the global and community nowadays are trying to tackle this problem immediately by introducing green campaign. So recently, the Nature Society of our university is organizing a Nature Week. As a members of this society, we should discuss and decide the best activity for this week. So, first of all, I think that as far as I'm concerned, I believe that we should organize a tree planting activity during this week. Why I say so? There are three reasons to support my stance. First of all, it will able to increase the awareness among the students during this week. So why I say so? It's because it's important that the student will able to know that how to plant and cultivate an area during this week. As we all know that nowadays unscrupulous businessmen, proprietors, capitalists are trying to undermining our health resources, especially free resources. So the awareness among the community should be done immediately by introducing this activity. Secondly, I also believe that this program can be also lower the concentration of carbon dioxide in the air. Why I say so? It's because the tree will be able to absorb carbon dioxide and change it into oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. So I think it's the most even method that will be able to deal with the climate changes. Thirdly, I also believe that tree planting activity will be act as a symbolic method and representation for the nature week. Why I say so? If a country don't even if country don't even country don't even initiate the reforestation program, how the country deal with the climate changes. So in conclusion, I believe that tree planting activity is the best activity during this week. So now I would like to pass the discussion to my colleague.
Okay, thank you, Lee. In my opinion, we should organize a recycling day because I believe it can reduce the number of garbage in our universities. Also, it will improve the cleanliness in our university and we can raise a lot of money from recycling materials. So we can use all the money for our annual dinner. Don't you think so? Okay, I think if we want to organize a recycling day during Nature Week, we should buy, we should provide tree that's been specifically for plastics, for plastics, glass, and paper. This will ease our job to bring all recycling material to the recycling station. Okay. Furthermore, I think we should buy a lot of plastic bags because we must continuously change the plastic bags. We must continuously change the food dustbin with the new plastic bags. Next, I think that we should provide a first aid kit as the student might cut themselves with the glass, with the broken glass they bring during the recycling day. So, because accidents might happen at any time and anywhere. Okay. So I think that's all my point. And I think that we should definitely carry on. Do this. We should definitely organize a recycling day during the nation. Yes. So I will pass this discussion to my colleague.
So thank you, Hasik. I appreciate your opinion. So I think is we should organize a activity to uh, as we are waiting for for a reserve for us to actually benefit in our lives. So we need to expose the benefit to our students. So they can be that so they can appreciate the nature more. What are the benefit? What are the benefit of the forest? Is reduce global warming. Yes. So forest, the forest can help and help to preserve the natural diversity of fauna and flora in an area, and also helps regulate the balance of the water and the cycle of the oxygen. So this can help reduce the global warming. Secondly, the forests have been termed as green gold. What I say so, they are an inexhaustible. In this forest, they are an inexhaustible resource and provide man and industry a raw material. Raw material. Yes. So in fact, forests can increase our financial country. So they can increase our money. Lastly, tree are mankind lifeline. If they are destroyed, there is no human can survive. Human can survive. The oxygen that we breathe, the food that we eat, the clothes that we wear, and we all the tree. We are all. So forests need to be preserved for mankind. In conclusion, we should organize a camping trip to forest reserve because it can lead students to be open-minded, that open-minded person that loves nature.
Provide an awareness also, right?
Yeah, it's true. So it's all for me. So what's your opinion?
Thank you. I think the best activity for National Week is I will organize a trip to the national park. My opinion, the first activity you can do at there is visiting the Oransi settlement. It is unique. It is unique experience as you can get chance to learn their culture and how they live. At the same time, you will know the Oransi have really varied occupation and way of life. The next activity is cave exploring. You can see a population of
I don't mean to be rude, but I want to add some more to your point.
hanging upside down.
Things of your point is you want to
Then you can go for jungle trekking. This activity not only rush of adrenaline, but also build your stamina.
Okay.
And then you can find the beautiful and wonderful flora and fauna such as acacia, orangutan, and elephant.
Okay.
The last activity is animal feeding and flying fox. Sorry. This activity are very excited
you could be right.
and
But can I add
interesting.
some more to your point?
It's
What
very
if you
dangerous,
want to
but it's
invest nothing trees?
Uh,
While we are planting the trees,
Therefore,
we
also
also can
release
provide more oxygen to
your
our university.
fear.
So we also
overcoming our fear.
I think this activity is suitable for the nature.
So we have
I think that's all
chosen
my point.
to organize.
Long discussion from the three of us, I think that we should follow his idea because there's a lot of points and there's a lot of things that we can do.
Yes, we can do.
A lot of things, right? A then I'm not saying that I'm disagreeing with the two of you, but as far as I'm concerned, flying fox it is extreme sports, right? So it might we can accidents may happen anywhere. Accidents may happen anywhere, right? So if if something happened, we are just the society member, right? So we must do a lot of work. Okay, and I'm not saying that I'm disagreeing with the three of us. Okay, so 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 far this idea is good enough. So what do you think? Should we continue with the idea during the nature week?
I think we should continue with the idea.
It's quite a good idea, right? And you? How about you? Okay.
So in general, most of the colleagues that agree that the we should organize a tree planting activity during the nature week. Because it's suitable during this week. Yeah. So we should end this discussion now.
Okay. Okay. Bye guys. Cheerio.